Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group Funkot, and we would like to present our front-end progress. I'm Reza Mona Hendrian, and with me are Fadil Raihan Gunawan, Muhammad Gibran Zikri, and Ahmad Arazan Al-Khawarizmi. So to begin with, this is the main page of the application. Uh, First of all, if you try to sign in just with a blank, you will get validation messages, and you can choose to sign in with Google later on, although we still don't know if this will be needed, or you can register by yourself using a free account. So here again, if you just create a new account, like a blank account, it will tell you choose a password. So let's say I want to register myself. Let's choose my email, and then I can create a password. So you can see here that we have a a password strength level meter. So let's say I put any random character, okay, anything I can think of, and you can see that the progress is going up. So I'm just gonna use a easy to remember password just for testing. So test, and when you create an account, then this will create an account, as you can see. So it's just the dashboard of the application. And this for the demo mode, we do have a separate account which we can use here. So I can just type it in, and yeah. So this is the dashboard again. The next parts will be continued by my teammate Ahmad Hazan Al Khawarizmi.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Razana Khwarizmi. So I'm gonna explain about the dashboard actually. So for the dashboard, this is for the code, and uh, let's go straight into the UI UX. So for now, uh, we are able to create a new dashboard. For example, like this. Board name maybe try to the activity, and testing. Uh, Here we are able to create a dashboard, and also uh, let's press the dashboard. Yeah, it works. And let's try to delete the dashboard. Alright, so yeah, and also there is some recent activity. So this is just mock data, but actually if we connect to database, it's actually will work. And also that's it for me. And I'll explain the code. Starting from the load boards, and it load a bunch of boards that we just created. Lost activity, it take the what recently we did before, and yeah, there's a lot of function like submit, create, like where we create some the dashboard, and confirm, delete, and open, create is just try straight to the point. And here where the submit, create, call, where the section of activity call, and also there is somewhere delete, confirm, the UI UX will appear as we delete the dashboard. I think that's it for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fadil Raihan Gunawan, and I'm going to be presenting on my part, which is the board canvas. So which is this part, which is after you click on from the my boards, click the study notes or like the one of the board, and then it will show this page. So what is this page exactly? This is where the if you go here to board view, so this is all the setups. It imports from the components and composables, etc. It have also the functions, async functions to load all the sticker notes So it will load all the sticky notes, save all the sticky notes, you can add the sticky notes, delete sticky notes, and yeah, this is pretty much here you can see you can delete. So it's a simple dot view. And then we also have now the components, which is the sticky note dot view. So the sticky note dot views is where we define one single sticky note. So the what's inside, what can you do with the sticky notes, like some of the logics, which is using the marked libraries, which I will show right now actually. But before that, let me just go through the codings here. As you can see here, we have the drag handle, the edit, the delete, body, resize handle, and yeah, and the colors. Okay, so let's go ahead and try. So here we can see can add the node. So here we have one single node. So it's gonna be empty. So it's just gonna say empty here. And from the sticky note, in the component, we can actually just double click and it's gonna be in from a view to an edit. So here we can, I've actually already put here like an example. So here if you put two hashtags and then we have also a minus and a bracket here, or the minus with a bracket and then an X, this will become a header, and this will also become a bullet list, and this will also make like a box with the tick box. So it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool function. It will automatically do by itself. We can that is pretty much the sticky note. You can also, you know, edit. You can also, let's say you add another one and then you want to just delete it, and then it'll be cancelled, delete note, and there you go. So that is the sticker note and also the page. We also have the javascripts on the logics for to drag and resize the sticky note. So here we can see we can start, we can drag the function dragging, move up, and etc. We can also do the start resizing, so we can do the resizing. So what does that mean? So this is pretty much the logic. So we move this from one place to another. So let's say here we can move to here. So we'll be able to drag the sticky note. You can also resize them. So here as you can see, you can make it small, you can make it big if you want, and it's just gonna be safe like this. So yeah, that it pretty much works in every sticky note. If you do here, it's gonna do the same. So that is the use draggable. And then you're probably wondering, there's different colors here. So this is from the use node colors. Here we define the colors. So we have the color hacks, the coloring functions. So you can actually change the color from either here. So if you want to make, if you do the pink sticky note, you can add the pink sticky note here. So we'll be able to add pink or purple. That is up to you. And then there's also, you can also change it from here if you already made a sticky note. Let's go. You want to go blue, or you want to go purple, or you want to go orange. So yeah, that is the use node colors.js. So yeah, that is pretty much the board canvas part.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Gibran Zikri, and I'll be covering the supporting features around the main board experience, such as search, profile management, board settings, collaboration, and the fallback page. The search bar is available from the main navigation as I type the app searches through my notes and shows matching result in this drop-down. For example, each result previews the node content and tells me which board it belongs to. Clicking a result takes me directly to that board. Here, this is the column node and it is in the reminders board. Then, from the avatar menu here, we can click on profile. This page shows the current account identity, including the display name and email. And here, we can edit or update the display name. For example, yeah, and then we hit save and our profile is updated. For the early stage, we can only now update the profile, the display name. And then we can also go back and hit one of the board, and then right at the right side of the screen, we can see the settings, the board settings. In here, we can edit the board name and the descriptions. For example, I'll change it to read live, and then we can update the description to, for example, and we hit the save changes. And then we also have the collaborators invite. Here we can uh, invite a teammate by email and choose whether they can view or edit the board. Finally, if the user visit a row that doesn't exist, the app doesn't break or show a blank screen. It displays a custom page, 404 page that still matches the Notied theme. So even the edge cases are handled in polished way. And that wraps up the outer part of the app, the search, the profile, the board settings, the collaboration, and the error handling. Thank you for watching our demonstration video.